The Up 2 offers excellent support options, included accessories, and plot-in apps printing. Although it only prints small objects, this 3D printer is well designed for solid, quality prints. The Up Plus 2 is a very reliable, easy-to-use printer with a simple design. Print quality might be competitive for the Up Plus 2 printer, but speed is really lacking. Speeds can only reach 3 to 30 mm/s, so you can be on hold for hours waiting for your 3D models to print. Size is another disappointment, as you can only print objects under 5.3 by 5.5 by 5.5 inches in dimension. All of my test prints showed that the Up Plus 2 can achieve a high level of accuracy, but the small print plate is rather limiting. Both apps and PLA are supported by the Up Plus 2 printer. Filament from the manufacturer is recommended, but the cost can be steep. As an alternative, you can use any generic or universal cartridge from another retailer. Just be aware it isn't specially designed for the Up Plus 2 printer like the manufacturer filament is. The filament sits on a holder on the side of the printer, so any size cartridge will fit as long as the filament is 1.75 mm. The Up Plus 2 may be a sensible option for your home 3D printer, as it is smaller in size, and at only 11 pounds weighs considerably less than many of its counterparts. However, there is only one print head available, which means it can print in only one color at a time. The Up Plus 2 doesn't have a built-in screen for navigation or printing. You have to print directly from the software via a connected computer. It's a little inconvenient to plug in your laptop to start all 3D prints. The best home 3D printers allow you to connect through USB, SD card, flash drive and Wi-Fi. The lack of connectivity options that the Up Plus 2 3D printer provides is disappointing. You are only able to connect to the desktop 3D printer through a USB port. Once your print starts, however, you can unplug your computer for untethered printing. The warranty for this home 3D printer is 1 year, which is pretty great. You can contact sales and tech support via telephone, email and an online forum as well. Access to a community blog, FAQs and a manual are all online, too. Waiting for this printer to ship can take a while. Lead time is between 2 and 6 weeks, so be sure to order early. Included with this printer are a power supply, USB cable, maintenance tools and a complimentary filament cartridge. Software doesn't come with your Up Plus 2 printer, but you can download it free from the website. The software is very simple and easy for beginners to navigate. You can scale, turn and slice any model with very little lag. The printer's size and design enable you to easily use it in your home or office space. Although the size is a plus, it is also a minus as you are only able to create small-scale projects. The Up Plus may not offer plentiful connectivity options, but it does print extremely reliable models, and has an easy-to-use infrastructure.